Hey guys, so I have another bus to share with you guys tonight. So this is a 2004 Bluebird International 3800. It's got a DT466E with an Allison 2000 series transmission. She's Ohio specs with the air horns, which is pretty interesting. Full cross-view mirrors with the Avia style body mount mirrors. Everything's incandescent on this bus. She's got rear stop sign with the side E-door pushed a little bit further back. It's pretty normal on a Bluebird, but she's registered at Bassford Unified School District in Scioto County, Ohio, which that's not a real company, just letting y'all know. So this bus has a rear stop sign that's pushed towards the back, which I don't really understand that. I get that they put the side E-door there, but they should put the stop sign a little bit more up here. That'd have made a little more sense. But come around in the back. You got 16788 as your ID, and bus number 54, of course. So, in case if you guys are wondering about Ohio specs, they do say the word stop on the E-door here, but everything is pretty much incandescent on the back. But she's a 72 passenger bus. So there is brown seats in this bus, which is not a very common thing on Bluebirds. Ohio did have those at the time. To me, I think the red seats look better in Bluebirds. But there's your first aid kits for Bluebirds, in case if you're wondering. But we'll get you a little startup on this bus, and then I'll show you off the lights. Then we'll take her for a drive. Adam, I just want to mention that I'm doing this video for you, buddy. I know you're a fan of Bluebird Internationals. I just thought I'd give you some content if you want to check it out here. But I know you're a Bluebird International fan, but guys, go check out Project 681. He's got a lot of content for you guys. He's got some great content on his channel, so go check him out. He's a Bluebird International fan, so I just thought I'd get this video for you, Adam. So, show you off all the lights here. I'll show you guys the hazards. Should probably turn on my dome lights as well. Oh, see if it does air horn. Oh yeah. She's pretty good looking bus. And there's the inspection sticker for Ohio as well. On this side you also have the full streamer. But in case if you guys are wondering the difference with the Bluebirds, since this is in 2004 Bluebird International, they were all diesels at their time. But the Blackbird means that it's diesel, blue Bluebirds mean gasoline, and green Bluebirds mean propane. So, but anyway, I'll get you guys some driving here. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching. So, go check out Project 681's channel. I'll put in the link in the description for all, but Adam, I got this video for you, buddy. So, I just thought I would give you a little content of a Bluebird International. So, but yeah guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and go check out his channel though. I'll put in the link in the description below. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to his channel, subscribe to mine, subscribe to other school bus enthusiast channels. Go show them some love. Adam makes a lot of great content. So does Cameron and Adam and everyone else. So, yeah guys, and that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching.